Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. In this video I'm going to take us from Hawkinge down to the Park Farm Industrial Estate in Folkestone. It's a Saturday morning. It's now 7:42. So it's really just a case of a quiet road, quiet drive. That's what I'm anticipating. There should still be a few hazards, so you'll get the red squares and the yellow squares. So driving through Hawkinge. Zebra crossing, too early for anybody to be about. And I think what we just need to keep in our consciousness, if you like, is keeping our distance, letting other road users know what we're doing, and having the awareness that we're thinking for others, anticipation. So let's go. Entering a national speed limit, so increase the speed. I think there are 3 roundabouts that we're going to navigate across. So we will of course indicate. Let's say I will indicate. You will too, because you're doing it with me. Car slowing in front. Quite a few cars on the roundabout. Nothing to my right, so on we go. Indicate off, because there's one car behind me. Horse box, what's this car in front? Hoping to overtake, perhaps. Lots of nice indicating going on, letting us know what's happening. It might be too early for a Driver with Care video, but car at junction coming out. We get out and about in our cars at all times of day, don't we? So it's good to do a drive early. It's a lovely windy road, this. We've got a double lane on the right so that we can have a crawler lane if any slow vehicles are coming up, but a single lane going down. I want to go right on this roundabout, so I'll indicate once I pass this traffic island, because otherwise vehicles will think I'm turning right into that junction. Nothing to my right, straight across and all the way around. And then indicate off. Nothing behind me. Entering a national speed limit, so we can do 60 on this road. Get myself up to about 40 miles an hour. Well, that was a quiet run, wasn't it? I think I'll take us all the way down to the Cheriton High Street roundabouts. Changed it a little bit. just so that we can get more footage and perhaps more things to be aware of. So this roundabout has 2 lanes on its approach. Left-hand lane is for left-hand turn. So I'm going straight across. So I'll slip into the right-hand lane and then indicate off the roundabout. It's quite easy, wasn't it? Another roundabout ahead, we're going to go left. So make sure I'm in the left-hand lane. Right, lots of cars slowing down. Get those indicators on. Looking to the right. Entering a 40 zone. Traffic lights ahead, my lane is green. Anticipate that they might change, but we're not changing, so straight through. Lovely and quiet. Dual carriageway ahead, it says. Which is rather odd. It's not a dual carriageway really. It splits into 3 lanes. I want to go right at the traffic lights onto Cheriton High Street. So indicating to my lane. Nothing coming. Indicate again to get into this lane. And the lights are stopping, which is appropriate because it means I can stop the video. So that's it. Hawkinge down to Cheriton. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.